loving. Honorable Director Sir, Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends, with this beautiful line, a very pleasant morning to everyone. Today I, Anna Goswami of grade 2'C, along with my classmates, welcome you all in today's virtual assembly. The theme of our morning assembly is honesty. Let's start our morning assembly by offering prayer to Almighty God. For prayer, here is Dharya.
Thank you, Arana. Good morning, everyone. Let's remember Almighty God. So, join your hand and close your eyes. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him, praise Him, praise Him when the sun goes down. Love Him, love Him, love Him in the morning, love Him in the noontime, love Him, love Him, love Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him, serve Him, serve Him in the morning, serve Him in the noontime, serve Him, serve Him, serve Him when the sun goes down. Thank you, and I stay ahead.
For today's thoughts, here is Ukshit.
Thank you, Alna. Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is honesty is the best policy.
For Pledged, here is Divyanshi.
Good morning, everyone. Take your position. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Divyanshi. For two new words, here is Kanishka.
Thank you, Anna. Good morning, everyone. Today, the new words are honesty. Its meaning is the quality or facts of being honest. Second word is policy. Its meaning is a way of behaving that you think is best in a particular situation.
To keep you updated about the words happening here is Yami with today's news.
Thank you, Anna. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yami. Today's news headlines are as follows. First, some national news. COVID-19 Maharashtra reports 3,413 cases, over 8,300 recoveries. Uttarakhand to reopen school from classes 1 to 5 from September 21. Kerala to reopen school from November 1. Colleges from October 4. Now some international news. New Hong Kong election committee decide with only one opposition member. China says it has vaccinated 1 billion people. Taliban replace sign of women ministry. Silk controversy. This is Yami signing off. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Yami. To put more light on our today's theme, I welcome our class teacher, Miss Usha ma'am.
Thank you, Arna. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. As you all know that our assembly theme is honesty. Honesty refers to the quality of a person being truthful, faithful and sincere in actions, speech and appearance. Honesty reflects the ethical behavior of a person which make him fearless and courageous. An honest person can life through courage and self-confidence. Honesty makes the person guilt-free, as the one who is honest and loyal will never shy away from accepting mistakes. Honesty can be learned anywhere, but the two most important places for child to learn the behavior are family and school.
Thank you, ma'am. Now let's devote 52 seconds in honor of our nations.
शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब गाता गण गण मंगल गायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता जय 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 जय
Thank you all for listening us patiently. At last, we will end our assembly with this beautiful line. No legacy is so rich as honesty. Thank you.